Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Plumbers Tool Bag that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the custom LeatherCraft 16-pocket tool bag for plumbing tools. Looped compartment inside and outside, large open compartment inside, and a zipped pocket. If you are looking for a tool bag that stores safely, organize your tools neatly, and at the same time convenient to carry, I recommend this bag from Custom LeatherCraft. This bag has a small dimension, but the pockets and compartments are designed thoughtfully to place the plumbing tools in an organized way. There are 8 loop pockets outside and 8 loop pockets innerside to hold thinner items like screwdriver and wrench. The pockets are closely sewn to keep the tools upright and non-moving. The big compartment has a 13-1/2 inch x 9 inch dimension to hold large power tools like cordless drill and sander. A multi-compartment screw box in the same dimension is placed under the large compartment. It helps to store tiny loose items and keeps the bottom of the bag mess-free. Just bring out the plastic tray and clean the box. There is no residue in the compartment. This is an open tote design for a tool bag. It helps to reach the tools easily while working on the job site and eliminates the need for opening the bag multiple times. Some just don't prefer an open concept tool bag. For them, there are other amazing options on this list.
Moving on at number 4, we have the Veto Pro Pack Durable Tool Bag, Tech XL. The Pro Pack XXLF bag from Veto seemed a bit large to many. This Tech XL bag is smaller sized, yet as effective as the former one. This bag measures 4.75 x 7 by 9.5 inches but has a total of 80 pockets of different sizes. All the tools that are used for regular plumbing are easily placed in it. The bag is made of heavy-duty nylon material with a 3 mm thick propylene base. Needless to say, this thick base and the heavy-duty rubber handle make this bag robust, but weighs around 7 pounds. This weight is bothersome when it is loaded with tools. So, this Tech XL bag is preferable for plumbers who drive to their job sites. Hope this helps to determine how trustworthy the quality of this bag is. Professionals or non-professionals, this bag will be proven to be handy for all.
At number 3, we have the DEWALT 18-inch Plumber's Open Top Tool Carrier. A cheap and nice big tool bag is what homeowners should get to keep all their plumbing and maintenance tools close by and organized. This open tool bag from DEWALT is made lightweight but durable and spacious. This bag is available in 2 different sizes, 14 inches and 18 inches. If you own bulky power tools and want to dump those in this bag, too, then this 18-inch size is the right choice. There are 33 pockets on the exterior and inner part of this bag to place long and thin tools. The big cavity inside provides plenty of room for big tools and items. To carry the bag around, a rubber grip bar handles, and a shoulder strap is incorporated. The handle is collapsible, giving the user better visibility and access to all the tools. There are thick pads underneath the base of the bag. The pads prevent the base from the friction of the surface. There are separate clips and straps on the sides for measuring tapes and electrical tapes. Nothing can get better from this DEWALT tool bag for a budget tool bag to store plumbing tools. At number 2, we have the Klein Tools Tool Bag Backpack with Removable Tool Carrier. Tote-style tool bags get very heavy with all the power tools. Carrying such a heavy bag for minor plumbing needs is cumbersome. It also increases the risk of losing valuable tools and accessories. This backpack-style tool bag provides the same security and safety of the tools yet much easier to carry on the back. In different compartments, there are a total of 48 pockets in this backpack. Among those, there is a removable caddy with 11 pockets, too. Keep it aside when it's not needed, and there will be more space to carry larger tools. The bottom of the bag and the front pouches are hard molded for the durability of the bag and the safety of the tools. The front hard-molded pouches are handy for keeping breakable items like mobile phones and eye shields etc. The back is padded for extra comfort. There is a built-in hook with this bag so that the user can hand this back from anywhere and keep it in arm's reach. The bag is heavy and not spacious enough to carry multiple power tools in it. Keep in mind while going for this. As a secondary plumbing bag or as a storage of a few collections of tools, this bag should be fine. Needless to say, backpacks look more stylish than totes to carry on. And finally at number 1, we have the custom LeatherCraft maintenance tool carrier. To prevent countless trips to the tool bag or workbench, this tool carrier is what you need. Just keep everything in this carrier neatly that you need for a particular job and wear it as a crossbody bag. This is even handier than any large tool bag and also saves time while a plumber is on the go. This carrier is feather light with its 3 pounds weight. So, it can be loaded with tools, yet it will be comfortable to work standing with the bag on the shoulder. It is made of high-quality and lasting polyester fabric. Alongside the padded shoulder strap, there is a carry handle on the side of this carrier as well. There are 43 pockets, loops, and sleeves altogether and a plastic screw box in this bag. The large mid-compartment measures 8 inches by 6 inches to load large items. The measuring tape clip and electric tape strap are sewn on the sides for easy access. This is a convenient bag to keep frequently used tools nearby on the job. This bag is so cheap that, with a large tool bag, this tool carrier can also be brought together to lessen the hassle of plumbing and other maintenance jobs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.